Ever feel like your business credit report is a mystery box? You open it up, heart pounding with anticipation, only to find weird symbols and cryptic messages. Well, you're not alone. Business credit reports can be confusing, especially when it comes to spotting errors. But fear not, fellow entrepreneur. Today's episode is your key to cracking the Equifax Business Credit Report Code. We'll be diving deep into how to dispute any inaccurate information you might find lurking in there. Because let's face it, bad credit can be a real buzzkill for your business growth. It can impact your ability to secure loans, attract investors, and even land juicy contracts. So why settle for anything less than stellar credit? Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty of disputing information, let's talk about why this might even be necessary. There are a couple of main culprits: human error and funky data transfer. Let's be honest, mistakes happen. Maybe a typo slipped through when someone entered your business information. Or perhaps there was a glitch in the system when data was transferred from your lender to Equifax. Whatever the reason, these errors can have a serious impact on your business credit score. That's why it's crucial to regularly review your report and stay vigilant for any discrepancies. Alright, so you've spotted something fishy on your Equifax business credit report. What's next? Here's where the magic happens: the dispute process. Equifax actually offers a free dispute service, which is fantastic news for your bottom line. There are three main ways to tackle this. Dispute online. This is the fastest and most convenient option. Head over to your My Equifax account and navigate to the dispute section. There, you'll find a user-friendly interface to walk you through the process. Dispute by mail. If you're more of an old-school type, you can file a dispute via snail mail. Just be sure to include a detailed explanation of the error and any supporting documentation you might have, like invoices or receipts. Dispute by phone. For those who prefer a more personal touch, you can call Equifax directly and explain the situation to a customer service representative. Here's the key: no matter which method you choose, make sure you've got your ducks in a row. Gather all the evidence you can to support your claim. This could include things like business registration documents. This proves your business is legit. Correspondence from lenders or creditors. If the error relates to a specific account, having documentation from the source is golden. Canceled checks or payment receipts. Solid proof that you've been paying your bills on time. The more evidence you can provide, the stronger your case will be. Once you've submitted your dispute, Equifax has 30 days to investigate the issue. They'll then contact you with their findings. Here are a few possible outcomes. They agree with you. If Equifax finds the information is inaccurate, they'll update your report accordingly. Now that's a win. They disagree with you. Don't get discouraged just yet. You have the right to request further investigation. They need more information. This is where your evidence-gathering skills come in handy. Provide any additional documentation they might need to reach a decision. The dispute process can take some time and patience, but it's definitely worth it to ensure your business credit report reflects the accurate picture of your financial health. Remember, a strong business credit report is like a golden ticket for your company. It opens doors to opportunities and positions you for success. So, don't let inaccurate information hold you back. Take charge, dispute those errors, and watch your business credit score soar. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.